today's fast-paced digital world, effective communication with customers is crucial for business to thrive. With the integration of WhatsApp and Intercom, businesses can now take their customer support to the next level. This powerful combination allows businesses to engage with customers in a platform that they are well familiar, making it easier for businesses to connect with their customers. This integration enables businesses to provide seamless and personalized customer support through WhatsApp, leveraging Intercom's powerful features such as automation, chat routing, and analytics. Expand and reach. Integrating WhatsApp and Intercom allows businesses to tap into this vast user base and communicate with customers in a friendly manner. You can make the integration yourself directly from our App Store. This is more of a plug-and-play scenario to become as seamless as possible for the user. Convenience for customers. Many clients prefer messaging apps like WhatsApp for their convenience and immediacy. Integrating WhatsApp with Intercom enables businesses to support through a channel that customers are comfortable using, leading to higher engagement and satisfaction. Integrating WhatsApp with Intercom provides a unified communication platform for handling customers' inquiries and support tickets. Agents can manage conversations from different channels within the Intercom interface, streamlining workflow and improving efficiency. With access to customer data from Intercom, agents can deliver more personalized and contextually relevant interactions on WhatsApp. This could include tailored product recommendations, proactive support, or targeted marketing messages. By consolidating data from WhatsApp and Intercom, businesses gain deeper insights into customers' behavior, preferences, and satisfaction levels. Analytical tools provided by Intercom enable businesses to track metrics such as response times, conversation volume, and customer sentiment across both channels. The integration facilitates collaboration among support teams. Agents can easily share information, transfer conversations, and collaborate on resolving complex issues, regardless of the communication channel used by a customer. Overall, integrating WhatsApp and Intercom empowers businesses to deliver a seamless and personalized customer experience across multiple channels, driving engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty.